Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use anchored VWAP on TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. Click on it, then type anchored VWAP into the search bar. Select it from the results to add it to your chart. This simple step gets you ready to track volume-weighted average price from any point you choose. Once the tool is active, you need to set its anchor point. This is the crucial first step. Simply click on any significant bar or candle on your chart where you want the calculation to begin. This could be a swing high, a swing low, or a major news event. The anchored VWAP line will then appear, starting from that exact point. Now, let's understand what the anchored VWAP line tells you. If the price is consistently trading above the anchored VWAP, it generally suggests bullish sentiment. Conversely, if the price is below the line, it indicates bearish sentiment. This line often acts as a dynamic support or resistance level, providing valuable insights into market behavior. You can customize your anchored VWAP by adjusting its settings, such as adding standard deviation bands, changing colors, or line thickness. For strategies, consider using it to confirm entry and exit points or to identify potential reversals. Many traders combine anchored VWAP with other indicators to enhance their analysis and make more informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.